Whether we like it or not, life insurance distribution is changing, not because of AI alone, but because of how humans and AI will work together. The future of distribution is going to be a coordinated system of human agents and AI agents, and this raises a real question for life insurance carriers. The promise for carriers is compelling. They can have broader market reach, materially lower distribution costs, real scale. But those benefits aren't automatic. They're going to depend upon structure. So for decades, carriers have accepted data directly from customers. That's what direct-to-consumer models are, but not directly from agents. Agent-originated discovery has always been required to pass through a middle layer that was really designed for a different era. Well, now that structure is under strain, and here's why. The highest value in insurance distribution is the fact-finding data that originates closest to the client. Your sales flow from this data. Well, AI doesn't replace agents or fact-finding. What it does is take the full corpus of fact-finding data that's gathered through natural language conversation, and it structures it to populate downstream workflows. The applications, underwriting, policy placement, policy service. That's what makes real scale and lower distribution costs possible. But it only works if carriers participate in the new distribution structure. Accepting fact-finding data from agents is necessary, but not sufficient. The real question is governance. In a modern system, governance isn't just privacy, security, and compliance. Governance is alignment. Data flows because the customer, the agent, and the carrier have mutually agreed that it should. Sharing is governance. So here's the question. As carriers modernize distribution, are you designing systems and partnerships that can safely accept, govern, and operationalize agent-originated, fact-finding data at scale? Or systems that still require that discovery to be constrained by the legacy structures before it can be trusted? The answer to that question will determine whether AI lowers the cost of distribution or just accelerates the inefficiencies that are already in the system.